Long distance relationship is not that easy. We have been through a lot of challenges, but those storms made us stronger and led us to... Iyak ako. Thank you for accepting and loving me for who I am. I am so blessed to have such a wonderful man in my life.
Ikaw at ako pinagtagpo, nag-usap ang ating puso, nagkasundong magsama habang buhay. Nagsumpaan sa may kapal.
Thank you, Mama Sonia and Papa, for raising such a wonderful person.
Haharapin bawat unos.
Bali, nag-propose ako last 2018 December sa Manila Ocean Park. Ayun, surprise ko siya dahil magkalayo nga kami, LDR kami.
If we were able to survive long-distance relationship, I'm sure that we can also overcome all the storms that might hit us along the way.
Ang pag-iisang dibdib ay marangal at banal, habang ang sumpaan ay buong katapatang sinusunod. Kaya nga dahil dito, kinakailangan isaisip ito at tuntunin ito ng maingat, buong pagmamahal, kaganapan, at may takot sa banal na Diyos.
Mahirap yung long-distance relationship kasi sobrang hirap i-express yung nararamdaman mo. Pero dahil sobrang love ko siya, talagang naramdam ko yung pagmamahal niya. So, kahit sobrang hirap, nagstay ako.
Ikaw at ako pinag-isa, tayong dalawa.
Hi, mahal. May papromise ko lang after ng wedding na ito na I will be a better man for you, to take care of you, and to prove to you every day that I love you and I will cherish you forever.
Bawat hangad kayang abutin.
I never thought that this day will come. I remember when I was young, I used to pray that whoever is my first boyfriend will also be the person I'm going to marry and live for the rest of my life. And the Lord is so amazing that He answered my prayer.
Kung minsan ay di ko nababanggit, pag-ibig ko'y di masukat ng anumang lambing. At kung
You were so persistent that even though I turned you down several times, you're still here standing in front of me. I am so blessed to have you. You are such a good and loving person and accepted and loved me for who I am.
Walang ibang pundasyon na pwede kayong tungtungan na kayo magiging matatag sa pagsasama maliban sa salita ng Diyos.
Di ko alam ang gagawin kung mawala ka. Buhay ko'y may kahulugan tuwing ako'y iyong hagkan. Umabot man sa ating huling hantungan.
I promise that I will always be there to help you, cook for you, clean up your mess, and remind you to take your vitamins and medicines every day. I know that it will not be easy, but I promise that I will support and walk with you all throughout this journey.
Ikaw at ako